Hi there, this is Leif from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Dodge Journey stock number 5870. This ran from 0508 to 07 2011. It has a JC 2.7 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a front wheel drive automatic 6-speed transmission. Here we have the JC 2.7 litre V6 engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front guard, no dents. 17-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left front door mirror. Left rear factory 17-inch alloy mag, good tyre. Rear tailgate, no dents. Left rear taillight. Right rear taillight. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right rear door, small dent. Right front door, no dents. Right front mirror. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right front door trim. Master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear stick shifter. Stereo. AC controls. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Courtesy light with sunglass holder. 4-spoke factory steering wheel, good condition. Instrument cluster.